Howdy folks, Matt here with Gulf Coast Fit. I'm about to run through a giant set for the lower body. A giant set means 4 exercises in a row for the same muscle group or body region. Typically you do a giant set for like the quadriceps or the hamstrings specifically, but this is really an overall lower body giant set. It's 4 exercises in a row. I'm going to be using the TRX for all of these. So this is something you can try out as a micro session if you've got a TRX or a suspension trainer of some sort. And I'll talk you through each exercise. The key with a giant set, like a superset or a tri-set, is to make sure you're resting minimally. So no more than 20 to 30 seconds rest between each exercise, sometimes even less. I'm going to start off with some pistol squats. And I'm going to do alternating pistol squats, right leg, left leg, until I accumulate anywhere between, realistically, 10 and 20 reps, which would be 5 to 10 reps on each leg. So here we go. Realize I left this ball in your way. Now I'm going to go into some Bulgarian split squats, which is essentially the opposite type of movement. This is for the glutes and hamstrings. Those pistols were for the quadriceps primarily. I'm going to add this weight. You don't need to add weight necessarily though, I'm just using it to help me out a little bit. Now I just busted out 15 reps there. I would recommend 8 to 15 reps, all right? No more than 15, because then you're drifting into endurance. We're really doing this giant set to build muscle, so medium volume is best. All right, I'm gonna move right along, and now I'm going into a lateral or a side squat. On this, 8 to 15 reps as well. Focusing a lot on adduction, inner thighs, one leg at a time. I'll show you. All right, decided to go with 12 there based on the weight and the fatigue. 12 reps felt good, but again, 8 to 15 reps. Going into my final exercise for the giant set, I'm gonna do some squat jumps. Some lateral squat jumps. Add a little bit of side to side frontal plane motion in. And this one, it's kind of a cash out, burnout exercise. So anywhere from 15 to 30 reps. Mind over matter here, form and focus over fatigue. This is the finisher. So give it all you got. Ooh, talk about jello legs. Took that to 30, and I wouldn't always put the plyometric jumping exercise last, but I'm doing it for fatigue and lactic acid accumulation. So if we were doing it to be as explosive as possible for power, I might put the jumps first. But in this case, they were a finisher. So that's a giant set. 4 exercises, that's a sample of a giant set. Alternating pistol squats, single leg Bulgarian split squats, side squats, and lateral squat jumps. So the objective there is lactic acid fatigue, lactic acid accumulation of mechanical tension for building muscle and stamina, lower body stamina. 4 exercises in a row like that, you're certainly working stamina, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So give it a try. Do it 1 round to 3 rounds. Make that a part of your workout or a micro session in and of itself. Make sure you're warmed up. Do some, check out my warm-up series so you've got some ideas on how to prep for something like that. You don't want to go right into it, so make sure you're prepped mentally and physically so you get the most out of it in a safe manner. So give that a go. Let me know if you have any questions. Picking my nose on camera, I just realized that. And have a good one. Catch you later.